So choose one specific way that you tried to promote equity across the 4 lessons.
Equity. Let's see.
So which equity strategies did we use the most? I feel like we did use the student's name quite often in an affirming way to just like, hey, Zenzo, like, and what do you think? Or Soka, you seem to know a lot about this. And then Izzy, I think, knew a lot about like flowers or the coconut story.
Yeah, so I guess
So she did sort of contribute to that one.
Yeah, so I guess prioritizing
Student
voices.
Yeah.
I guess.
I feel like which lesson did we use that the most? I think either the first lesson or the last lesson.
Yeah.
Because, like, I think those involved a lot more about student opinion.
Yeah. Letting them talk more. Yeah.
And then we kind of used assess your students.
Yeah.
Like, we did save the chat, and then we kind of used that information. So, like, I remember Izzy knew about flowers or something.
Yeah.
Tell how you enacted the practices across the floor lessons. How did the students respond? I think that they responded positively.
Yeah.
Like, they really liked the lessons that we were doing, and they also liked conversing with each other about the topics.
Yeah.
And they seemed excited about it too.
Yeah.
What you learned about student science learning as a result?
Interesting.
I feel like it was better to teach with a partner as opposed to teaching by yourself.
Yeah, because I guess we could like build off each other, I guess.
Yeah. And then the students are also kind of able to observe like how we work as partners and then apply it to them.
Yeah.
And then it's also a lot less nerve-wracking to be teaching with another person than it is with teaching by yourself.
Yeah.
Because I think from most of like school careers that we've been through, teachers have usually been by themselves.
Yeah.
That's usually always seemed really nerve-wracking to me.
Yeah.
So kind of like lessen the nerves a little bit.
Yeah.
Repeat steps 1 to 2 for justice strategies. So 1 and 2, choose a specific way you try to promote equity across the 4 lessons.
Yeah, let's see.
Unpacking prior knowledge and the words. So like when we were doing the flowers, the second lesson about flowers, it was like important that it was kind of we used this strategy specifically when we were kind of like integrating like science words into daily conversation to help them understand the concept.
Yeah.
And then they also had the opportunity to use those words or connect it to their daily lives.
Yeah.
Any others? I think those are the ones we mainly used for justice.
Yeah. And then
I think them using Stein's words was, I mean, they did use it less often than how we expected it, but I think they did understand the main concept of what we were teaching.
Yeah.
What do we learn about science learning as a result? I think the same thing.
Yeah.
I think that's about it.
Yeah, I think so.
All right.